Hello everyone, today is October 25th, 2018, and I wanted to get a little video. I haven't made one in a while. Getting ready to go and feed our birds. This is their eggs, peas, and their cooked eggshells. And this one's the same, but it's got some cauliflower. It's all cooked. It's over 60 eggs. Okay, so I have not called for anybody. This is one of our roosters. His name is DH. Just tiny girl. Oh, that's the leghorn. Once they see me, they will head this way and start flocking to me. Oh, the ducks see me. Let's try to get this food in here before some of them. It's hot, girls. They think they're starving, but they're not. Yeah, it's hot. There's our Daisy Duck. There's our Frizzle Whizzle. They haven't seen the other bowl yet. Here, babies. Here's our little roosty roost. Get some, girls. Hi, DH. Try to get it all because they will eat it. This one has cauliflower. And we are still getting a good amount of eggs. So I just want to give them some warm food. I like to give them this when it gets colder. What are you doing, little Frizzle Whizzle? I know those are silkies, but I call them frizzles, so everybody knows. I do know, but I'm calling it a frizzle. Come on, ducks. Come on. Okay, let's go check the guinea out. I'm gonna call the rest in. they didn't want to just come on over. Give them a scoop. It's hot. We've got our little babies. These are ones we hatched ourselves. Hey, babies. Leave the babies alone. You've got plenty. All right, little Richard. Okay, go check on my little guinea Winnie, a little miracle. She had to come out probably about a week ago. Look at you, guinea Winnie. Mom's got some treat for you. Hi, baby. Take a little look in our coop. I cleaned this out Tuesday. No poop in there. One egg by itself right there. Let's see if she'll let me check her out. What are you doing, pretty girl? Hey. Be nice. You're all right. Yeah. Let Mom see what you got. Looks good. Tiny whiny. Tiny whiny. Good tiny whiny. Yeah. You're all right, Tiny. Let me go get the bowl so you guys can get a snack. Don't be rude, DH. They're just laying their egg. And yeah, they could come out and get a snack, but I'm gonna go ahead and just... Don't be a scaredy. Oh, you big babies. You big old babies. Get it, little Faith. I just love feeding back to them. She's one we hatched. Looks like she could be sitting somewhere. What's going on? Hatched her. All 5 of these we hatched. Just wanted to give a little video of all of our little babies, our little chickens, scarfing down their food. Everybody have a great day.